Do you have Mama's shoes on? Oh, it's Elmo. Is that what Elmo says? Yeah. What does Cookie say? Num num num. What about the count? Ah ah. What about Ernie? And what about Bert? And does Zoe say anything? She dances. You're right. Is there anyone else I forgot? I think that covers this. That's me. Oh, Big Bird. Yeah, that's good. I like you walking in Mama's shoes. You calling for Daddy? Yeah, Daddy's not home right now. A little bit.